Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to motion track objects in CapCut. Alright, it's pretty easy to do. First up, let's go ahead and make a reference point. For example, I'm gonna add in some text right here, alright, at the top, and make this one till the end if you want to, and change a default text to dot if you want to as well. Let's go ahead and make it bigger. Put it in the center as our reference point. Alright, now in order to make a motion track, let's go ahead and locate the clip where you want to start your motion tracking. Say for example right here. Alright, as you can see, I can see an enemy right here. Let's go ahead and start it right here. Then click on the video, and here on transform, alright, just go ahead and add a keyframe right here. Click. Now you're gonna want to move this one to the next frame, for example, where you wanted to track an object. Alright, say for example right like this one right here, this guy. I'm gonna zoom in. Alright, and just hit on the scale right here until we fit this in the square. Alright, as you can see, another one. I'm gonna add another frame until he moves outside our circle, maybe right here. Alright, right here, move. As you can see here, the keyframe automatically adds by itself. Again, let's move. Next up, move again right here. Just drag the camera. Alright, another one could be right, exactly right here at the center, and move again. Alright, until it ends exactly right here. Alright, once done, we just, if you want to like fade out, again, go ahead and use the scale right here and make it back to 100, and again refit the screen right here. And as you can see, when we play the video, as you can see, it is following the particular object. Now let's delete this and play the clip. Delete. Alright, I'm gonna hit on play. That's how you motion track objects in CapCut. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.